So recapping what we talked about, so we're gonna go through the steps and create eventually a new bootstrap resampling with replacement, right? So we get our data, we do create a sampling, and then we're gonna create a bootstrap replicate with replacement, calculate a statistic of interest, and then you don't really need to keep that bootstrap resample anymore. So we start over again. Okay, we're gonna recreate as many bootstrap replicates as we want to understand how many averages, how many means, how many maxes, mins we're going to get to understand our data. Okay, so we're going to analyze bootstrap sampling, and then we're going to be able to visualize all these means, all these averages we've collected, and get a better understanding of really what each one includes, and really the variation in that final statistic that we'll get. Okay. So this really is the power of simulation, using Python to just bootstrap and really just in a Python loop to automate this simulation process of collecting our data, and we're able to then estimate the uncertainty that's just baked in our data set, right? How much would we expect this average or this correlation to deviate as we understand our data,